Hello everyone, welcome to my latest video. So I believe you have clicked to this video because of the title itself. Yes, it's TOPIK. So anyone, if I believe you guys are actually Korean learners just like me, if you know what is topic. So in this video, I'm going to share you why did I go for topic? I'm actually going to open up a parcel all the way from Korea, and it's very closely related to TOPIK topic, which is the hot topic book. So with me here is actually the parcel. 바로 지금 도착했습니다, 여러분. This is the box that I'm going to open up. So just a background story. Actually, speaking about topic, okay, I have learned Korean starting 10 years ago when I was 15. Yes, you are correct. 10년 전부터 I have been learning Korean, but the thing is, studying language by yourself is all about discipline, and you just have to have a target. Starting to learn Korean sentences structure, and also some grammars when I was having time in holiday time, spending some time with Italy, which is talk to me in Korean.com. I was already in level 6 to be honest, but I know nothing, and there was 10 years I still don't know anything about Korean. I can barely speak a full sentence when I was having conversation. I don't know. Yeah, so my literacy is really low, even though I can read and I can actually listening and understand around 50%. So all of them is why is it? So sometimes I just reflecting with myself that why did I not improving even though I have learned Korean for 10 years. And I just realized that I never actually took a serious steps to learn Korean. So one of the factor of why I actually wanted to take topic is because I want to force myself to learn Korean. I want to give myself the reason of wanting to learn Korean more. Because with topic, there is always writing, this is an examination. So topic is actually a test of proficiency in Korean. Yes. So basically, if you want to go for develop yourself, you want to study in Korea, you want to work in Korea, you must have this topic certificate, something like a TOEFL for English. Yes. So there's an examination for that, and you always have a module. There is a specific vocabulary you have to learn. There's some specific expression you have to learn, and you must know how to write, because in topic 2, which is the one that I am targeting to go for, is really difficult. You have to really master all of the Korean expressions, Korean formal writing style, all the vocabularies, and just how you interpret and also think in Korean. Guys, so this is the 단어장, the vocabulary book that I'm going to prepare you for topic. So this is for reading, reading, and there's so many 표현, all of these expression you have to learn, you have to memorize. In total, you have 120 kind of different expression for different situations, and some of them are that similar, and I just don't know how to memorize all this. And at the back here there are some proverbs, idioms, what else? So there are some idioms as well. Yeah, I think this is idioms. I know. 소담, yeah, I think this is idioms, and just so many things which will help you in 읽기, which is for reading, and also writing. And there's so many 단어 here. So many, so damn many that I don't know when I will finish this 단어장. But of course, this book, yes, it's going to help. But so you can know how important vocabulary and expression is for topic. So that's all the things that I have to work with. So this is something like an objective for me to want to know more about Korean. So my experience, I didn't sit for topic 1. Actually, I was targeting to sit for topic 1, and I am also self-preparing it. I just started to do some models papers, and because it's only listening and reading, comprehension. So I did the model test, and I have very good confidence. Yes. So I was already aiming to get at least a 2, level 2 in the topic 1. But I actually registered for topic 1 like last year. But because of pandemic, I cannot manage to go there. So, say no, it's okay. I just skip topic 1 and let's go for topic 2. And I just found out there is such huge gap. So if you want to know more about topic examination and you want to think like, whether should I take, it's okay. There's so many materials in internet about topic. You can actually find it in YouTube, in Google. So since I have decided to go for topic 2, so I actually just at the right time, like even this year, I think specifically this year, there are so many free Korean class offered by KTO, which is the Korean Tourism organization. There's like a Korea Plaza in KL. Korea Plaza, they always offer monthly, and they have like these special Korean lessons, like beginner lessons, there are some survival lessons, there are also K-drama lessons. Since this year, they are actually like an organization, which is the Korean Education Center, KEC. KEC just officially offered their language classes, their series of language classes last month, and I'm so fortunate that I managed to register one of it. From last month, they actually like put the registration in the website, and there are different levels of this Korean language you can go for, and they are all related to topics. So if you want to learn like beginner's level, they're actually preparing you to sit for topic 1, and for the more intermediate level, it should actually help you to prepare into topic 2. And there's also one specific class just help you in preparing topic 2 examinations, like something like a boot camp or like an intensive like tuition classes. I don't know why, so I just actually clicked to like the preparatory class, which is the class which prepare you to sit for topic 2, and it's so intense, people. Okay, firstly, the class is actually free, and I'm not sure if in the future are they free or not, but you must have your commitments. So they actually check your attendance, and you have like homeworks to do. So if you don't actually meet with their criteria, you might not be able to proceed with the class, or you might not be able to receive some certificates. So if there's anyone who are actually preparing topic 2, maybe for next year you still have chance, because our classes is actually from now until December, and I believe another rounds of topic 2 preparatory class will be open in next year January. So if you actually enroll at the beginning of the year, which is January, then you are most likely able to keep your memory as fresh. So speaking of that, so actually I want to recommend this book. So if you guys are actually preparing for topic 2, these books are a must-have. So 완전, like finally, my book is here. 책은 도착했습니다. So this book, okay, this book is recommended from the KEC itself. It actually gives us a Shopee link, and we just purchase from there, and it's actually shipped from Korea itself. So you can see the process is very Korean. Hello, Korean. Yeah, Shopee have a lot of like authentic Korean bookstore. So let me just open this up to review for you guys. So it takes like very fast as well, maybe 10 days. Yeah, because I ordered this in the beginning of the month, so I guess 2 weeks time, around 2 weeks time, 2주만. Yes, then actually the books arrive. This is the hot topic. 책입니다. So this will be my Bible for the next 8 months, I suppose. Okay, and these are Bibles that is, even our sunset name is using this book, and he said that the question inside are all good questions. Like, they're not easy questions, because of course they must give you difficult questions so that it gets for you more ready towards the examination, right? But it's not South Korea. Yeah, so I bought 2 books. So the one is Suki, Hot Topic Suki. Suki is for writing, and another one is for reading, which is Ilki. So these 2 books we have, actually we are using already this book. So let me show you what is it inside. Just for information, these books are actually all full Korean. Okay, but also they are actually translated version. I'm not sure about English one, but actually you can find Mandarin version in Kinokuniya and also in Shopee as well. So if you can read these, all these topic soge, you will actually start to know like how topic format is about. And at the same time, also give you like this book, a small book at the back, as Panojang, which is vocabulary book. And inside there are all with this different expression and also the translation. And then, yeah, there's some terms. This is like Pano terms, and also some pyohyun. This is like some pyohyun, some expression you can learn. Hot topic Suki. So Suki is very important in topic 2 examination because it's just so difficult, even though it's just like 4 questions. So I really need Suki book because I'm so bad in writing. So there are actually like day 1, like very special. They have like day 1, like day 2, day 10, day 11. So it helps you to prepare day 25. It says that topic Suki day 25 완성. So it can help you to prepare topic in 25 days. I'm like, okay, I don't think so. So in reading, it helps you once in day 30. So if you blast together, it's around like 2 months. Yeah, and just some practice. So can you really that topic in 2 months time? I doubt that. But if you have any comments, you can comment down below. So these are the 2 books that you must have because from what I have gone through from the previous classes, they give very important tips from the book. Like they help you to analyze the questions and step by step how to actually like break down the questions and know what the questions require so they can answer at maximum mark. Hello guys, so speaking of that, I want to show you like how precise is this book about. So this is the 51st question in Suki in the topic test, and here they'll teach you different tips how to answer in 4 kind of steps. Okay, so because this question is about like giving you a sentences like a notice, or it can be like an invitation note, or it can be a messages, and you have to fill in the blanks. So this is about these questions, and they actually teach you like some tips like from step 1 what you should do. 글의 종류는 파약하지, which is the type of text that you're going to answer, and 제목을 통해 글의 목적을 파악하자. Okay, so you have to know the title of that, which helps you to know the objective of the passage. So just don't teach you too much. You can just read it by yourself. Like this 4th step is so useful. I'm still practicing it here, and they actually teach you like some tips and knowing like this is the keywords that helps you to know what is the right sentence, the right style that you should write. And this is like very precise. I think like it really helps a lot with these, especially in the 51st question in the topic, which is this type. And there's some exercise after you learn to practice the 4th step. So this is just a short review, which is really good in helping you to answer this question. So this is the 2 very good books that you must have if you're going for hot topic. And I believe many people are saved by these 2 books, even those who have self-learning for that. So I think that's pretty all from my video. If you are also studying topic, there are actually a lot of apps that helps you to learn topic, to practice Korean as well. And one of the apps is actually called Funpik.
I became an ambassador for this application called Funpik.
So Funpik is actually recommended by my friend, ITSKATSTYLE, and that app is fantastic, people. Boom, like there's so many topic questions, very difficult topic questions inside the app, and the interface is just so cute. One of the things is like if you sign into the app every day, you get like coins. So it actually motivates you to go into the app and start to, answer some questions, practice some exercise in the app every single day. Also a day challenge as well. So in day challenge, you actually give you like a six tasks. The six tasks is all like practice, like building sentences, 표현, and filling the blank, all of these related questions in topic 2. So if you've done it, you will get rewards as well. But actually, I did not manage to finish the day challenge because it's like so long. So yes, please check out this app because this app is fantastic and it's free and it helps you to motivate you to do practice every day, even without the book. I think that's all from my video. So if you guys are also preparing for topic, do comment down below and let's share some tips from you if like what of the apps that you're currently using and what are the books that you're currently using to exercise in topic. And yeah, let's create a community in practicing topics together. Yes. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분. 안녕히 계세요. 네, 안녕히 계세요.